Hi, I'm Jojo, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, we entered our third week back at school, with grade 2 students showing lots of enthusiasm in their Shaping Up unit. The virtue this week, gentleness. Tuesday, grade 1 students enjoyed a special entry point for their We Are What We Eat unit, while Prep 2s shared items from their home country for their unit, Who Am I? Wednesday, grade 3 students launched into their new IPC unit, Significant People, and enjoyed a visit from some famous people from history. Thursday opened a fresh day of learning where grade 4s showed plenty of joyfulness during their Bake It entry point. Friday, we ended yet another busy week. Students and staff left with excitement and anticipation for the week ahead. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Jojo, and we'll see you again next time.